Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to be showing you how to post a blog in WordPress. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video to the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up the official WordPress website right here at wordpress.com if you have not already, and after opening it up, you'll be greeted by the main page where you want to log into your account. So in the upper right corner, you can get started with logging into your account. If you do not already have one, you can just go ahead and create a new one. And after logging in, you'll be greeted by this home page right here, which is the main page where we can now get started with all the options we have for our website at the left side screen, such as home, statistics, upgrades, and so on. So let's go ahead and take a look at how we can get started posting a blog in WordPress. This is how we can do. So basically, what we're looking for is the pages section right here. As you can see, this is going to enable us to go ahead and take a look at adding all the pages we want. So we can click add new pages right here. Clicking add a new page is going to open up this new menu where, as you can see, we can now get started creating a new page that we want to use and that we want to add. As you can see here, we have multiple options that we can choose from, such as an about page, gallery, and so on. You can see one of those options is going to be called blog post. So here you can get started finding a blog post page that you want to use. You can select any of the pages you want, and this is how it is going to look. You have the preview and the editor mode right here to go ahead and select how it looks and to manage everything you want. Basically, it's going to go ahead and enable you to create a blog page for your website and to get started blogging. And it's easy as that. So I hope this video was helpful, guys. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So guys, thanks for watching. Take care and bye.